Hello my dear students, how are you? You know what happened today? My niece came running to me and said, Rajmasi, does the egg sink or float? So I said, let's try. So for that, we are going to need a glass full of water and an egg. Let's see what happens. Let's take an egg and drop it in the glass full of water. Drop it slowly so that it doesn't break. Now, can you see that the egg has sunk at the bottom of the glass? So my niece said, Masi, can we make this egg float? I said, of course my dear. For that, you're going to need a magical substance. And that magical substance is a salt. So let's try doing it. But before that, let us change the water and do it. So now I have brought a fresh glass of water. In that, we are going to add salt. Add as much salt as possible. The more salt you will add, the better results you will get. And dissolve it properly. Now, let us take the egg and drop it in the water and see what happens. You can see that the egg started to float. Now let me tell you a fun fact and then I will tell you why did the egg started to float. There is a sea called as the Dead Sea. It is highly saline. It is 33% saline. And if even a human tries to swim in it, he will float in it. So now let us come to the concept. Now, why did this egg float in the salt water? Because the density of the egg was less than the salt water. And why did it sink in the fresh water? Because the density of the egg was more than the fresh water. To understand the concept of density, I have taken two similar plates, plate A and plate B. So in plate A, I have kept this glass, this bowl, one more bowl and a bottle, and in plate I have taken a pen, a spoon and a spatula. Now according to you, which is more denser, plate A or plate B? Of course plate B, because you have more things on it. So what do we understand by this? That for a same area, if more objects are present on some surface, then that is more denser. So same way, when for a particular area, if there are more mass present, that is called as density. So density is nothing but mass per volume. So when we added salt in this water, the density of the water increased, and to the comparison of the salt water, the density of the egg was less. So therefore it started to float. So denser things usually sink at the bottom and less denser things float at the top of the water. So I hope you are clear with the concept of density. I hope you have enjoyed it and you are going to try it at home. Thank you so much.